How to pay for Disney Plus using your Gcash. The first things first is access the DisneyPlus.com's official site, and if you're gonna be doing this on your mobile phone, it will actually do the same thing. So on your phone, you can actually download the application and then just head directly to your homepage, in which you will be seeing a lot of features or a specific subscriptions that you can go ahead and purchase on Disney Plus. And once you're here, all you have to do is just choose on subscribe now, and you'll have to enter your current mobile number. Now, Disney Plus may not be available for all the countries or region, but all you have to do is just try for this and just input your current mobile number here. Disney Plus will send you an OTP for you to be able to log in successfully. Once you will be logged in, that's the time that you can choose your payment options. So Gcash is not indicated as Gcash. So all you have to do is just choose the e-wallet option, and you will just have to input your Gcash account number and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how you pay for Disney Plus using your Gcash.